Unleash the power of innovation with a lineup of next-level tools designed to transform your projects and boost efficiency. These cutting-edge solutions combine precision, durability, and convenience to tackle any challenge with ease. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, these tools will take your craftsmanship to new heights. Get ready to experience performance that works as hard as you do. Orange Ninja All-in-One Garden Tool and Knife Sharpener. The Orange Ninja Sharpener isn't just a tool, it's your ultimate companion for garden gear maintenance. This compact yet mighty device sharpens knives, axes, pruners, and other garden tools with razor-sharp precision. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and the high-grade tungsten carbide blades deliver professional-level sharpness in seconds. Whether you're sprucing up your pruning shears or restoring the edge on your trusty hatchet, this sharpener gets the job done with effortless ease. Lightweight and portable, it's an essential tool for anyone serious about their outdoor gear. WORX WG543E Brushless High-Speed Blower. The WORX blower turns yard cleanup into a breeze, literally. With its brushless motor and high-speed output, it delivers an impressive power-to-weight ratio that's perfect for clearing leaves, debris, or even light snow. The compact design and lightweight build ensure you can maneuver it effortlessly, while the turbo mode unleashes extra power for stubborn messes. Whether you're tidying up the lawn or preparing your patio for guests, this blower's combination of efficiency and power makes it a must-have for outdoor maintenance. Say goodbye to guesswork with the Bosch Laser Measure, your ticket to professional-grade precision. This sleek device measures distances up to 100 feet with pinpoint accuracy, displaying results instantly on its crisp backlit screen. It's perfect for DIYers and pros alike, whether you're measuring a room for renovations or calculating dimensions on the job site. The intuitive interface and compact design make it easy to carry and use, while advanced features like area calculation ensure every project is executed flawlessly. The WORX leather range blends durability with style, catering to tradespeople who need gear they can rely on. Featuring premium-grade leather, this line includes tool belts, pouches, and accessories designed to withstand the toughest jobs. Reinforced stitching and thoughtful designs provide ample storage for tools, keeping everything organized and within reach. Whether you're on-site or tackling a home improvement project, the WORX leather range delivers rugged performance with a professional edge, proving that functionality can look good too. The Lockjaw Grip is a game-changer for anyone working at heights. This innovative tool secures your ladder firmly to gutters, ensuring rock-solid stability and unparalleled safety. Whether you're cleaning gutters, painting, or fixing roofs, this grip eliminates the risk of ladder slips, giving you peace of mind to focus on the task. Lightweight yet robust, it's quick to install and adjust, making it a must-have for homeowners and professionals who prioritize safety without sacrificing convenience. SILIGUN Compact 4 Caulk Gun. The SILIGUN Caulk Gun redefines convenience with its ultra-compact, no-mess design. At half the size of traditional caulk guns, it fits into tight spaces effortlessly while delivering the same powerful performance. The drip-free mechanism ensures clean, professional-looking seals every time, whether you're working on bathrooms, windows, or DIY crafts. Its ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue, making it a go-to tool for both quick fixes and detailed projects. Small but mighty, this tool proves great things come in compact packages. The Makita finishing sander brings precision and power to your sanding tasks. Powered by an 18-volt LXT battery, it delivers smooth, swirl-free finishes on wood, metal, and more. Its variable speed control lets you tailor performance to your material, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. Dust collection is a breeze, keeping your workspace clean and safe. Whether you're prepping surfaces for paint or fine-tuning a woodworking masterpiece, this sander is a reliable partner for flawless results. The FastTrack garage system transforms cluttered spaces into organized sanctuaries. Designed for ultimate versatility, this rail system lets you hang tools, bikes, and storage bins effortlessly, maximizing vertical space in your garage. Its heavy-duty construction holds up to 1,750 pounds, ensuring durability for even your heaviest gear. Easy to install and customizable with a range of hooks and accessories, it's perfect for DIYers and families looking to keep their garages functional and tidy. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to streamlined storage. The WIHA Tool Backpack is the ultimate mobile workshop for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Built with rugged durability, it features a heavy-duty construction designed to withstand harsh job site conditions while keeping your tools organized and protected. With multiple compartments, reinforced pockets, and a dedicated space for power tools, this backpack ensures everything has its place. The ergonomic design and padded straps make it comfortable to carry, even when fully loaded. Whether you're climbing ladders or trekking to remote sites, this tool hauler combines functionality, portability, and unmatched durability. The Roto shovel is the ultimate digging companion that redefines convenience and efficiency for gardeners, landscapers, and DIYers. Powered by a robust lithium-ion battery, this tool combines the power of a mini excavator with the ease of handheld operation. It digs, scoops, and clears soil effortlessly, making tasks like planting, trenching, and yard work faster and less labor-intensive. Lightweight yet durable, its ergonomic design ensures comfort and precision, while the safety shutoff feature adds peace of mind. Say goodbye to back-breaking manual digging. This powerhouse does the heavy lifting for you. The Robi Inflator is a compact yet mighty gadget that ensures you're always ready to tackle inflation tasks with ease. Powered by a USB lithium-ion battery, this portable inflator delivers impressive airflow for inflating everything from car tires to sports equipment. Its intuitive digital pressure gauge and automatic shutoff prevent overinflation, making it both reliable and user-friendly. Perfect for on-the-go fixes or daily convenience. This tool combines portability, precision, and power into one sleek, pocket-friendly design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more exciting gear reviews and next-level tools.